Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video I will show you how you can theme your icons on iOS 26 using Cowabunga Lite Windows without a jailbreak. The method shared in this video is completely free. I have themed my icons, and also you will be able to remove the icon or the app names, and the good thing is that it works on any device which is running iOS 26. First of all, to begin, you will have to get Cowabunga Lite for Windows. You can easily search on your favorite search engine like Google and then get to its official GitHub page, as you can see it right here. Now to run Cowabunga Lite Windows, the only requirement is iTunes. You can simply get iTunes from the official Apple's website and install it to your Windows. Now on the official Cowabunga Lite Windows GitHub page, simply go to releases and get the latest release. You will see this zip file. Get it to your computer first, like so, and then right click and then extract all, and you will get this folder. Now before you open it, please connect your iOS 26 device via USB and then run the Cowabunga Lite from here. Alright, as you can see, my version iOS 26. To theme your icons, simply hit explore, and then from there you can get your favorite theme. Now I will go with Harmony. Simply hit download and wait for the download to finish. You can see done here. Now go to icon theming, simply hit this modify check, and from there you will see your theme. You can simply select it from here if you have downloaded multiple themes, and then on your favorite theme hit apply. Then you will see this toggle all button. Please hit it and it will select all these check boxes automatically. Now if you want to hide the names of your apps, you can hit this button, right, and the names will be hidden. Now go to setup options and make sure skip setup is enabled and enable supervision is disabled. Go to apply. Before you apply changes on your device, head to settings, then go to your account and make sure that you turn off Find My iPhone or Find My iPad. After the process, you may turn it on safely and then hit apply changes. You will see restore in progress. Your device will restart. Hit OK. You will see restore completed. Hit on continue and you will get to your home screen. Now if you scroll on your home screen, you will see that you have these new icons or the themed icons, and you have your unthemed icons. You will just have to put the unthemed icon into a folder. Now let me quickly do it. So once your icons are arranged and all the non-themed icons are put into a folder, you will see this look with your new themed icons, and yes, the apps work. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. Now if you want to get back to stock and remove these themed icons and get your stock icons unthemed one, the easiest method is to head to settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, hit on reset and then hit reset home screen layout. Don't worry, your data will not be erased, only your home screen layout will be reset, and then hit reset home screen. Go back. I got all the stock icons back in their places. Now when you are left with all the themed icons, you can simply press and hold and then delete bookmark on all of them to remove them, just like that. Press and hold. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.